Go high and then go low.
No, I'm not gonna. A great coach and artist knows when not to follow.
People want to
the master of that. That is for sure.
True.
But I am talking down here, and I can really talk up here, so it'll give you a little taste of what I can do.
Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
I was looking at my wine when you were saying your name. I'm sorry. I feel like I wasn't as attentive as I should have been.
You know what else I've noticed that we don't do now you said that is, I think it's like, isn't it like bad, like mojo or juju if you don't like look at each other when you cheers?
Yes, yeah, it is.
We don't do that.
Yeah, they say 7 years bad stuff.
Oh gosh, that's why we've not hit 100,000 yet.
I know. No. We have to start looking each other in the.
Oh gosh, we have to. We got to like up the ante.
I'd said that, and you look away though, so we got to get out of that habit.
Oh,
we have to be okay looking at each other.
It's just all those years of training to always keep your eyes on the camera.
Right.
But, hey, everybody. Welcome to our little channel here.
Yeah.
It's good to see you, Katie.
If you are new, hit that subscribe button.
You better hit it. You better hit it.
Share this with your friends. Follow us on Instagram,
you better
Facebook,
share it. You
TikTok,
better share it.
Patreon.
You better follow all the things.
All the things.
All the things.
So fun.
What are we doing today?
Fun. We are going back to Marcelito Pomoy.
You are right.
I loved. We've not done a video of his in a little while. Yeah, sorry.
We have some gnats.
Summertime in the South.
Yes. No, it's been a minute.
Yeah, so I'm excited to see.
Yeah, remember, a really pretty voice.
Yeah.
And he's got a large fan base.
Very.
So this is a lot of requests over time. We finally working it in here to do his America's Got Talent performance of Conte Partirò, which is a famous Italian song that Carlos has sang many times.
Oh.
As have I a few times. Not as many as
not.
Carlos. Beautiful classic song. You'll recognize it.
Okay.
Did Bocelli make this famous? I think so, yeah. Bocelli and Sarah Brightman.
Okay, then yes. I think I know
everyone under the sun except for Katie is singing the song at this point. So, shall we get ready?
Let's go!
And then we're going to have you sing some of it after.
I know.
Feel the energy.
Remix.
The electricity.
Marcelito was orphaned, living on the street with no one to take care of him. So, being there on that stage,
I didn't know this.
Me neither.
A champion. Now, the world can see what I see. Yeah.
Oh, America's Got Talent makes me cry every time.
Half of my life, but
it makes me cry every time.
I
makes
have
me
my
want
own family.
to cry as a mom of
Being a dad is the best job in the world. I've waited for this moment. It's my chance to provide a great life for my family. Half of the odds will be going home tonight, and I cannot be one of them.
I just love that guy. Me too. He's focused.
He's the sweetest guy, I swear.
I do love watching the judges.
Yeah. I didn't realize he was on this show.
I already have chills.
Oh. This song.
Oh, yes.
You know this
my
song.
gosh.
Oh. Whoa. Was not expecting that again. Oh.
That's just chills all over.
Wow. It's Simon.
I know.
He's doing both parts again, like the prayer. What a showstopper.
Wow.
Wow. Whoa, now we're in some like mid-range there.
I wonder where he found just the playing around, you know, with
that?
Yeah. Wow.
What was that?
Does this show the coaches?
Look at that guy.
Does this show the
they're all
coaches?
up on their
'Cause
feet.
I would love to see.
You mean what they say?
Yeah, I'd love to hear what they say.
Oh, I don't know. We've never seen this. Should we watch it?
I kind of want to.
Okay.
I believe
Can
that
we?
you have
Well, we
the
are.
best shot of winning this whole thing.
Wow.
I really do. You know, this is the semifinals. You raised your game. The woman in you was just as good as she was the last time, but you as the man, you went up a notch, and she tried to stay up with you, but she couldn't.
That's funny.
I can't do it, Harry. Absolutely brilliant song choice. It really enabled you to shine.
You know that's me judging right now, too. Hear my laugh?
Ignore him. I just love everything about you, Marcelito. So good luck for tonight. It was a fabulous performance. Well done.
Heidi!
Marcelito, I've been waiting all day for you to come onto the stage. For me, you are my favorite.
Huh.
I mean, it just blows my mind.
Simon.
Marcelito, there is no denying you have a very unique, incredible, special talent. So if you make the final, I think you've got to take a bigger risk, because now the surprise is now over. But I do believe that with a gift like you've got a massive career in front of you.
He just wants to see it explode.
Yeah, totally.
Oh my gosh, I love hearing. Sorry, I got lost. I love to hear what the judges think, but I had to be reminded of how vastly different where he goes in his voice.
You should try it. Just do time to say goodbye. Then go high.
No.
Go high and then go low.
No, I'm not gonna. A
it.
great coach
the
and artist
people want
knows
to
when
hear.
not to follow
The people want to
the
hear.
master of that. That is for sure.
True.
But I am talking down here, and I can really talk up here, so it'll give you a little taste
There's
of what
a
I
little
can
taste.
do.
Well done.
No, that was great.
Yeah, I mean, it's a showstopper for sure. Hence all the comments, the applause,
Yeah.
the fact that he's on America's Got Talent.
What about his music, though?
Well, I think that's what I would love to hear next.
Yeah,
something from
same.
him, right? And I think to the point that I took away from this is like, yeah, so you have the three judges going down, just like giving the applause and the praise, how great they thought it was, how moved they were. And then Simon comes in with the real cutting a little bit of a stinger to say, that was your showstopper. Now, what can you really do?
Yeah, yeah.
Like basically saying like, we hear everything you do. What do you do?
Right.
And that's the point.
Yeah.
A lot of singers, and we've probably been guilty of this at time too.
Oh yeah, totally.
We focus on being the showstopper instead of just letting people hear us and feel us. Mm-hmm. Emotion always trumps a high note.
Yep.
Some kind of
Loud.
little gimmick.
Belting, whatever.
A really pretty face.
Yeah.
Like any of that will always get trumped by pure raw emotion. Mm-hmm. Right? I tell people all the time, every singer I work with, every day I'm talking about how just start with an emotional tone and let words fall into that.
Yeah,
and the fact that I don't have to hear every word you sing.
Yeah.
Is even bigger point.
Right.
Right?
Right.
The emotion is the driving boat. And so what he did there in this performance, to me, yes, is way more of a showstopper moment.
Yeah,
like, how does he do
incredible.
that? It's dramatic. It's incredible. It's so Vegas too, right?
But now I want to hear. I mean, could you imagine if he were to take us into his story of being
yes,
like that small backstory that we got?
Yeah, that would be.
If he brought us into that with the vocal talent that he has, with the emotions,
and I'm sure he
that
does
he and
in
his
his
wife
own
share in their own story.
I'm sure he does in his own stuff, and so we're gonna have to research that and find something.
Guys, comment below his
let us
originals
know
that we need to check out.
An original check out. You just said that. Why am I repeating you?
Because obviously I'm worth repeating. We've said this before.
Wow, well played there, Katie.
Yes, thanks. I'd say I'm a good player, but
this
I
was
already did
great.
that too.
This was really great. We should go on America's Got Talent.
Doing this show.
Yes, we should be in the judges' seats.
Yeah.
We could also sing on it.
Good suggestion, you guys. This is great. I can't wait to see more of his, like, just him. I want to get to know him and
more
his
of him.
voice and just his story.
Totally.
This was awesome, though.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, until next time.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And I'm Jason Catron. Vocal Lab Collective. We did it.
Oh.